What's up guys, we're back again today with another great video, and in today's video this is actually going to be part 2 of the Tutus review videos, and this is actually going to be on the ice scraper. They actually have a little handheld ice scraper if you guys don't want the big snow brush, but you still need an ice scraper. This will be a great option for you. So please stick around and we'll check out this ice scraper and see if it's the one for you. Alright guys, so here is our Tutus ice scraper, and it is, it's a 360 scraper, so you can use it on all sides to scrape your windshields off and stuff. So let's go ahead and we'll open it up and check it out right here. So, as you guys can see, this one's blue. I'm not sure if they make them in different colors or not, but this is the one they sent out to me. Go ahead and get it out of the bag here and check it out. So now that we've got it out of the packaging, you've got your user manual right here that actually teaches you and shows you how to use the different ways. And here is the scraper itself. So as you guys can see, up top right away is your normal, this would be kind of comparison to like your normal ice scraper. You've got your fins right here that you can scrape off with. Now, one thing that's really cool about this ice scraper is if you can see right here that bigger notch, you can actually take that notch and run it down your windshield wipers, kind of like how the snow brush was that they had, and it'll actually take the ice off your windshield wiper as well. Another thing that's really cool is it's got this grip right here on the end. As you guys know, when you're out there scraping your car off, your hands are getting wet and different things like that. And a lot of times you'll slip off of those ones that you buy at Walmart, those little cheap ones. So that's really nice that they actually added that grip in there for you. So now on this opposite side, you can actually take and you can scrape up like this, which is really cool. It's got these kind of deeper teeth for your really thick ice that can get on your windshield sometimes, and it'll scrape it off a little bit better. I'll get up close so you guys can see the teeth a little bit better. And obviously you can scrape sideways right here because it also has that there as well. And then what's really cool is you actually have obviously your sharp side. So you know how some scrapers don't have the teeth at all. They'll just be a very sharp edge. And that's what this is right here. So you can scrape sideways like that, and it'll use this sharp edge on the side. So you can go all the way around depending on what kind of ice or snow you have on your car, what conditions you're in, and then of course you've got your windshield wiper blade right here. So really great scraper. It's everything you need in one. It's very small and easy, compact. Throw it in your back seat, whatever. Easy to store in your car. So let's go outside and we'll test it out. All right guys, so we got the GoPro on our head. We're going to go ahead and check out this scraper. I already went ahead and got the windshield kind of dusted off with our snow brush they sent us out. If you guys want to check out that product, I'll actually pop a card up now for it. But let's go ahead and we'll start scraping this off. So as you guys can see, I'm using the thicker side because we've got a lot of ice on here. And as you guys can see, it's eating through it really good. Check that out. I'm getting it all off. So now we'll actually try out this other side. So we've got the straight edge side right here. We'll go down right here with it. As you guys can see, it works out really good. Keep it good and flat against the windshield and bring it down. Does really, really good on the side as well. And now we'll try this smaller side. We'll go right over here, get some more ice for us. And as you guys can see, it tears through it pretty good as well. And then you can just go ahead, see how that one kind of leaves some behind, and hit it with the side and knock it all off. So really great product here. I'm actually very surprised. This big teeth on this side actually works probably the best. They just tear through it and get it all gone. And it kind of, once you go through it with this side right here, if you keep it flat, it actually grabs the back right there and kind of does a double scrape, which is really cool. And then obviously just to clear up all the smaller debris, you can grab the side and do it. So really great product. I would say it's probably one of the better scrapers I've used. Normally you've got just the one blade going one way and you're trying to scrape it one side, but this, it's got everything on there that you need. I'll go up here and actually show you guys how to use the little blade, wiper blade cleaner. So you guys can just take it, slide it in right here. I don't know if you guys can see it well, a little darker on this end, and just run it up and down, and it gets that ice right off there for you. So it's really good. A lot of people forget about scraping the ice off their windshield wiper blades, and that's, you know, they won't work good if that ice is on there. All right guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed these last two product review videos. I love doing them. They're really fun, getting stuff sent out to me so I can review it to let you guys know if you should buy it or not buy it. That product was really good. If you guys just want to have something smaller, just throw in the back seat of your car and just have for when it's snowing, or something really quick and easy to grab in the morning, that would be it. I would say that if it's snowing and you've got that real thick snow in your car, I would definitely say pick up the brush instead, because you'll be able to wipe all that snow off, and then you can just flip it around and use a scraper on the other side. And with that, you have the bag and all that with it, to where, you know, it can be as small as you want it, or it can be as big as you want it. So that's one thing that's pretty cool about it. I would probably go and get the snow brush, just because, you know, it has the brush on it and you also get the scraper with it. But this scraper is also really good if you're kind of more in an icy area. In Middle Tennessee, we mostly get a lot of ice and not really a lot of snow. So in this area, the scraper actually would probably be a lot better to have. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said before, please like this video. And if you hadn't subscribed, make sure you guys go ahead and do that now. And another great thing about this product is, you guys know, winter is right around the corner, and Christmas is also right around the corner. So if you want to get somebody one of these for Christmas, they'll actually be able to use it, you know, through January and February. It stays really cold down here in Tennessee, so be a great Christmas gift. So make sure you guys keep that in mind when you're, you know, shopping for some things. Maybe if you're a parent, something small and easy to grab that they will be able to use. But anyway, guys, peace out, and remember, build your masterpiece.